How long does it to make money with affiliate marketing? How long does it take to make 100 per day, 1,000 per day, 1,000 per month, 10,000 per month? All these questions will be answered by this video. So make sure you watch until the end of this video, you will find the answer. Stay tuned. Hey, it's Van here. If this is your first time to watch my channel, I'm obsessed in online business, affiliate marketing, passive income. So if you are interested in this type of content, subscribe to my channel so you won't missing out. So let's talk about how long does it take to make money with affiliate marketing. Actually, this is a low quality question. Low quality question will receive a low quality answer, but I totally understand. Because when I just starting out, I know this frustration. You may try months and months but still didn't make any sales. Or you even try years, still didn't make any sales. But understand that this question would not receive an accurate answer. The reason why is because I don't know you. I don't know your skill sets. I don't know your experience. I don't know your backgrounds. But let's talk about my story. How long does it take to make money with affiliate marketing? I started affiliate marketing in 2018. I started with a health brand website. I started making content with the blogs, for the YouTube videos. By the way, for the YouTube videos, actually the YouTube videos done by my partners, because due to my bad English and my bad accents in that time, all I do is the technical stuff, which is the SEO, how to rank the videos, how to rank the articles, how to pay advertising, this type of things. But anyway, so how long does it take to really make money? It's almost likely it's 1.5 years to start making full-time income, which is about 6,000 per month, which is consistently months and months and really consistent. Because affiliate marketing, when you set up these things, when you optimize properly, just let it go and he will still generating traffic, generating income consistently. So it's more like passive income. Now, I know you guys will talk about there is no such thing called passive income, a scam, blah blah blah. But understand that people always have the wrong mindset with passive income. They think passive income is throw a money and the money will like snowball, just rolling month and month, and you didn't do anything. But it's not the case. The case is initially you need to set up, you need a lot of the hard work. You need to pull out the great content with affiliate marketing. You need to learn about how to build a sales funnel, how to build a lead funnels, how to pay advertising, how to generating traffic. These skill sets is up on front to build this type of passive income. Understand this point. So for my story, it's about making me 1.5 years to start making money. Almost likely the first whole 1 year is $0. But understand this, affiliate marketing is a long-term business. It's for you to create the freedom lifestyle. It's for long term. If let's say you're spending 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, but after these 3 years, this income will replace your corporate job and this income will consistently month and month. Does it worth it to spending 2 years, 3 years? Absolutely, right? So you need to have the mindset about affiliate marketing. It's a long run, it's a marathon. It's not sprinting. So what you should focus on is not asking how long does it to make money. It's to focus on how I can build a better funnel to collect more leads. How can I write the better message for my emails, for my content, to attract more audience, to build my brand, okay? Because when you have a good strategy, good plan, and good skill sets, all these things is come down to consistency and implementation. A lot of people, they know everything, they understand everything. They understand how to run Facebook ads, how to rank the YouTube videos, how to build a funnel. But at the end of the day, they don't nothing. And second type of people is they don't know what content to create. A lot of the excuse, they are afraid in front of the camera, this type of thing. But understand this, what if I told you motion will create motivation? So all you need to do is take action, which is your first step, and don't ask about how to get results, because when you focus on the results, you will get nothing. You need to focus on the cause. How I can do the things better, how I can shoot a better video, how I can write the better content, how I can build better skill sets. Focus on this thing, because when you have the right skill sets, right plan, right strategy, all these things is come down to one thing: consistency, and obviously implementation. So if you have all these things, then the other thing is come down to time. Okay, it takes time, because everything is just like have a learning curve. You need to understand that affiliate marketing is an online business. Online business, just like another professionals, just like doctor, lawyer. Do you think a doctor and lawyer, they can become a professional grade in just months? Impossible. So same thing with online business. It takes time, okay? So trust the process and stay consistent. I guarantee you, you will get results. So if you want to know what is a good game plan, great strategy, and all you need to do, just click the link in the description, which is my strategy and I share with you. So let me know what's the biggest takeaway with this video. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, which will help for the YouTube algorithm. So it's time to take action, no excuse. Take action and trust the process. And I see you in the next video.